Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. So I'm kind of bringing back the bread and butter Bolo items or unexpected Bolos, things that sold lower, but still I flipped for a good profit. So that's what we're going to call this, my bread and butter Bolo items to be on the lookout for. Hopefully you can buy and flip for a profit. I'm going to tell you where I got it, what I paid for it, and what it sold for. Again, these are not crazy high solds, but money is money, right? A profit is a profit. So here we go. This is a Jumanji little lion. And I got this at the Goodwill bins. Didn't have much in it. Sold it for $8.92. And the buyer paid shipping. He's fierce, right? This one is a Chan Lu. If you don't know this brand right here, be on the lookout. Her stuff does very well. This one was still on the original tag, so I decided to throw it up on eBay and the other platforms, and it sold fastest here on eBay. It took a best offer of $35. Could I have held out for more? Absolutely. But I got the offer really quick, and I was like, you know what? I don't have much in it. I'm going to take that $35 because if I sold it on Whatnot, I probably would have got $5. I will tell you, selling on Whatnot, starting my items low, it does make me consider offers more on eBay than I would have in the past. This is a vintage 1977 Goodie ball tip brush rollers, 14 medium hair curlers, new old stock, super rad item. Got it at an estate sale for 50 cents. I love selling vintage Goodie. The hair breadths are my favorite. This did take a little while to sell, but it sold for $17.85. This is another one of those felt Christmas ornaments that people use a kit and they make them. These do sell. Even if you buy them pre-owned and vintage, already made, people buy them. This one was damaged. I got this from Catfeel and Thrifty on her Whatnot show. I had about $5.32 in it with tax and shipping and everything. And I sold this for a best offer of $17. Make sure you're following Catfeel and Thrifty on Whatnot. Her vintage jewelry night is Wednesday night. And if you've never been to her show, you need to go. She has the most beautiful vintage jewelry and she starts it super low. Catfeel and Thrifty, guys. Avon estate sale, paid $2 for this. It is an Avon Glace. These were new old stock. And I sold that one for a best offer of $15. Vintage Play School Dollhouse right here. I sold this for $12.16. And if you're wondering, can I sell toys on Whatnot? Yeah, I had an auction not long ago that was Loving Family and Play School, and I did awesome. Now, I had a whole tote full, and I got through over 100 items. And I decided to put a bunch of those items also on the platforms. And I've done very, very well there as well. So would I have made more selling the items that I sold on Whatnot on the platforms? Yes. The answer is yes. Were people buying from me to resell the items? The answer is also yes. I had another Whatnot seller in my show. I think there were 2 Whatnot sellers buying my stuff up. And I went and watched her show. And I was like, oh my goodness, she had a Fisher Price Loving Family following. And she was making some cheese on some of the stuff that she wasn't selling the items that I sold, but they were like items. And I was like, wow, I really could have sold those for more. But that's what Whatnot is like. You start the items low, you wish and hope for the best. And a lot of times resellers are buying from you. But where else am I going to sell 100 to 200 items in 3 or 4 hours? I'm not going to do that on eBay. So it's all about the quick flip on Whatnot. But yeah, I've done Fisher Price Little People as well. So, and I did that pencil sharpener show. It was fabulous, but I mostly do jewelry. The next item here is this apple dumpling. And what I want to show you about her is she's not perfect. Not perfect at all. I got her at a garage sale for $1. I thought she was cute. She's got stains on her. I sold her $9.75. Not crazy money, but a pretty good profit, right? All right. Now I'm going to share with you some of my Whatnot sales. Most of these are bread and butter sales. So how this works is I can only show you no, you know what? That was my offer price. So maybe this is the offer price. I'm trying to figure it out. I would have to go and look at each one, but I had this listed, I think, for 60. Or maybe it was 50 on Whatnot, and I sold it. I took a best offer on that because I just sold this. But a lot of my items go for full asking price without an offer. So I think these are the prices. So in my other videos, I may have lied to you because I just can't remember. But anyway, let's talk about some of these Whatnot sales, and then we'll do some more eBay sales. This Bolo tie, I probably had this on eBay for 5 to 7 years, put it on Whatnot, and it sold super quick. So again, different platforms, different eyes. I went to List Perfectly. They now offer cross posting to Whatnot. And I had my my items on eBay, and I cross posted them with List Perfectly to Whatnot. I've got about 3,100 items over to Whatnot now, still working on it. I have a lot of items on eBay, so I'm still getting my items over. But if you want to cross post, you can start on Poshmark if that's where your items are. If your items are on Mercari, and you just take them directly from that platform over to Whatnot. Super easy. I've got a tutorial. Check that out. If you're interested, you can use coupon referral code bolobuddies, all one word, and the List Perfectly link below, and that'll get you 30% off your first month. Highly, highly recommend it. Been using it since 2019. If you're not on Whatnot, join with the referral link down below and get $15 to shop, and then come back and join to become a seller with my other referral link. All those links are down there. They benefit you. They also help me. So I appreciate when you guys use them. But let's look at some of these Whatnot sales. Now, this one right here, Faith Moves Mountains. I get a lot of these little pins on the cards. Here's another one, olive wood pendant, Star of David with a cross. These two items I only put in my Whatnot Buy It Now. I listed them for $2 and $3. They are usually quicker flip items that people just want to add to their orders during a live show. So if you have little things like that that you can put in your Buy It Now for $2 to $3, it's a great way to increase your sales during a show and move some items, move some inventory. This one is a rhinestone brooch. I sold this for $39. The Raggedy Ann candle is another item that sat on eBay for a super, super long time, and it sold really fast on Whatnot for $15. This Build-A-Bear pin, I actually just got a bunch of these Build-A-Bears. I think 4 or 5 more of them. So I need to get these cross-posted to Whatnot because this sold super fast for $12 on Whatnot. Avon pen sold for $22. Stick pens seem to be trending right now. So does Avon. Transformers Rescue Bots. I sold this guy for $10. Disney Infinity Twilight of the Republic Star Wars figures, sold those for $10. And that's all I'm going to show you on this page for now. Definitely check out my Whatnot shop, and you can kind of see what I have there, but it's the same items I have on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari because I just cross-post them. This one here, I think I just have these priced too high because I think they're gorgeous. And what I decided to do was split them up into sets of 3. So it's the three pieces, one piece setting. I have a whole bunch of these in my eBay store. I forget if it was like a 6, maybe it was a 6-piece set, and I parted it out. I think I've sold 2. They're gorgeous. Gorgeous. I was hoping people would just like add to cart if they wanted 2 or 3 or whatever, but they're not moving very quick. And I don't know why. I think I have them priced too high, but I ended up taking a best offer of $35 on this. The next one are these photo albums, vintage photo albums. People love these. I got these at the Goodwill bins, and they gave me, I think, a heavy item price. So I got them for $1 a piece. I had 2 of them, and they sold for $44.70 for 2 of them. Paw Patrol Sky, she got her at the Goodwill bins, and I took a best offer of $10. You guys, I just did a video. It was a featured video from my Facebook group where resellers in the group share their best Bolo. If you're not in my Facebook group, go join it. It's under my link tree. It's free. We talk about all things reselling with an emphasis on Bolos. At the top of the group, there is a post under the featured section where you can share your best Bolo. Somebody shared a Paw Patrol character that sold for, I think it was $140. One Paw Patrol figure. I'm not going to tell you which one. You got to watch the video or go find it in the Facebook group. $140. I was like, that, my goal this summer is to find that Bolo. Unbelievable. This is a vintage fleur-de-lis lion crown brooch pin pendant. I couldn't find another one like it, so I did use the word rare in the title. I sold this for a best offer of $75. If I would have sold this on Whatnot during my show, probably would have got 5, 10. If I was lucky and had a few people that really wanted it, it may have gone up to 20, 25. And if I was really lucky, I would have got a little more than that, but probably $5 or $10 for this. Sold it for $75 on eBay. The next item is this Paragon Needlecraft Winter Playmates Christmas Ornament Kit. It is an opened kit. That's what I want to show you. They still sell. I laid it out and showed what was in the kit. Took a best, or no, I'm sorry. I sold that for full asking of $11.05. The next item is these Reeboks. Now you can see I have a pair and then I have a single, but I was like, you know what? I got it. I'll just throw it in. Maybe somebody's looking for it. Got these in a thrift store mystery box and I sold them for $9.39. They're Barbie shoes. Barbie shoes. This horse is a replacement black horse green saddle from Mega Bloks Cactus Town. And I sold this for a best offer of $10. All of a sudden, people are looking for this horse. I sold another one too. So weird how things kind of do that. They just start to sell all of a sudden when they've been sitting for a while. Anyway, Mega Bloks, Legos, you can part those out. I did a Lego show on Whatnot as well. It was Lego Friends. It was okay. I mean, I think I sold over 100 items, but it was a little bit slower. But I don't really have a Lego following over there. I sell mostly jewelry, so I didn't expect it to be the most amazing show ever. I do think that Lego minifigures, like the boy ones, do better than the girl ones. Let me know if I'm right on that. I don't know for sure, but I don't know. You guys, tell me what you sell on Whatnot. Put your Whatnot handle down there, and everybody promote themselves. If you sell on platforms, put your platform, put your store name. Come to the Facebook group and promote yourself under the share post, and I'll feature it in a video. Instagram, YouTube, put it down there, guys. Share your stuff. If you have questions, everybody can help everybody answer questions. Be a reseller community and share it down below. All right, you guys, thanks so much for being here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Subscribe.